Speaking of hot seats, ever since Shah Rukh Khan is on it, we've had a number of questions regarding the dynamics of the show. Like, how do they make every single episode a masterpiece? So we decided to leave nothing to imagination and landed up straight on the sets to hear everything from the horse's mouth.
This is the KBC makeup room or makeup house, which has got a living room, it's got a dining room, it's got a bedroom, it's got a bathroom, it's got a changing room, and it has a little boudoir kind of ceiling feel to it. And I spend most of the time here. In terms of when I'm not in the sets, actually the most of the time is spent with contestants there, but I get 5-10 minutes in between each episode, and I come in here, and all the meetings are done here for the creative, and then the food is eaten on the dining table. I've not used the bed yet. I haven't slept so far in between episodes. It's been very hectic. This is where the main audience is, and they're all ready now. And I think one of the contestants already on the hot seat. We're going to choose new ones. This is where the control room is, the main brain of KBC, where Siddharth sits, and some of his colleagues who set up the set of questions which none of us are supposed to know, including you. So you won't be allowed inside. You can come up to the door, and only very few people are allowed inside. And the questions which I am made to look at or see are mainly for the purpose of pronunciation in English and Hindi. There is a dictionary there, and of course most of the time Siddharth knows the pronunciation better than the dictionary, so we get to know it from him only directly. Then we head through another door which goes directly onto the set. We go to the teleprompter section. This is where we do our rehearsals for the lines that need to be said to open the show, and that's it. All the links and stuff which will be fed in, that's written by Manoj, R.D. Thailang, and Desai does all the teleprompting. So if I ever go wrong, it's because of her. So all the blame is on Desai. Also, I like to meet the contestant for 3-4 minutes. So I sort of gauge this person, where this person could head in terms of just interacting with them and making them relax. Actually, I give them a glass of water myself, so they feel, oh, he's serving us water, so he's a nice kind of guy. We do want people to feel special here. We want them to win a lot of money, and want them to feel they're superstar for that 45 minutes. So the least we can do is to make it fun. Thinking cap or thinking hat, or just to topi penana, which means that agar koi sawal ka jawab nahi aa raha. And strangely what has happened is whenever people are wearing it, they seem to get the right answer. So it's good. The white ones are for the girls with the pink ribbon, the black ones with the grey ribbons are for the boys. It's a huge production game, a lot of people, live people, and then it has to run like a well-oiled machine for that 1 hour. Still get amazed that they get the telephone line straight. And can we do this one more time? Apart from that, the questions keep coming in, the music goes at cue. Of course, I have to give cues, they have to give me cues, and the light turns around. It's mind-boggling.
It was amazing.
Great to see the Shah Rukh Khan, and I love it.
Shah Rukh was very lively.
Shah Rukh is very superb.
Shah Rukh is rocking. Superb.
He was meeting each and every person and shaking hands also. Really, he is a very humble person.
Can we do this one more time? This is Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm signing off from NDTV now.